2 chicken breasts.
I'm going to cook la zi ji, la zi ji, yeah, la zi ji. Just
Cut small.
Because suddenly I feel like eating the la zi ji, so just in the last minute, I just defrost the chicken breasts. We're gonna cut them into small pieces. Small pieces, yeah, small pieces. Yeah, suddenly the last about 7 p.m. feel like eating the la zi ji. Actually more into experimenting how to cook this la zi ji after I check the video of the Chef Wang.
A bit of marinade. Yeah?
I'm using a chicken breast, yeah. I marinate them with the sugar, cooking wine, little bit of cornstarch, you know, and oyster sauce. These few standard ingredients, you need to use them. Yep. Because I have a very short time to cook, I just like while I marinate them, I prepare the other thing like dry chili or this thing, garlic, ginger. No? La zi ji is a Sichuan food. Sichuan kind of like I kind of like this to have this chicken with the beers, you know, with some whiskey. It's very nice. Just marinate them. Kind of thing that you need to use this ingredient is that like peanut, ginger, sesame seed, garlic, you know. And there's a mala. Mala, you can buy it in the Chinese shop, like the mix. It's a mala paste, you know. Okay, I fried the peanuts. It's a deep fried, more faster. More faster, yeah. Yep. Off the fire now. So of course that we're home cooking, the fire situation is different from the professionals restaurant cooking, you know. So the fire is more small. Yeah. So the estimation is a bit slow. I put on the chicken breast. It's not marinade. So it depends how much you want to cook the chicken breast. You want to be well done, or you want to be more extra crispy. It's up to you. Yep, up to you. For my situation now, I didn't put extra crispy. I just put a medium. Then I put out my ingredient, yeah? Like dry chili. The dry chili you cut into a small piece just now, and then you can take away the seed. Yeah, not 100%, maybe like 70% the seed. You can throw the seed away, no problem. I put a mala pepper. Yeah, mala pepper is a flower pepper. We call it flower pepper. This flower pepper is one of the important ingredient to cook. You can buy it. Yeah, we call it flower pepper. Now I put a dry chili now. Dry chili. So depend. If you want to be more crispy on the chicken, you just fry the chicken more longer first before you put the dry chili. But for me, I want to put it half done. So I put a mala now, mala, and the garlic. Very nice. This is one of the very Hua Jiau. The dishes is nice to eat. I put some sugars, you know. Yeah. You can try this actually at home. Very easy to cook. Put on the peanut now. Peanut and the sesame seed. Sesame seed. If you want more the chicken more crispy, just now you can fry the chicken more longer a bit. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Then only you put the dry chili and the other stuff. The cooking should be more freely. It depends what you like. Yeah, there's no fix. There's no right and wrong. It depends on what you like. Okay, so should be apply like what you play in the music. Same thing as well. So in life, it's the same thing. So if you want the chicken not to be too fry, you can not fry it too long. Yeah. So now for me I do put it medium. Yeah. Depend to your preference. Yeah. That's why I say there's no right and wrong. That's nice. Fantastic. Simple. Yeah, I go with the soju. Thanks. Bye.